This is Steve Cates, President of Rapid Restoration of Florida. I'm here in Vero Beach, Florida, and be providing you updates as the storm approaches the Treasure Coast. Along with my U.S. veteran partners, James Sanderson, U.S. Air Force Staff Sergeant, and James Percy, U.S. Marines Master Sergeant, our hearts and prayers go out to all of those affected by this storm. As you can see behind me, the water levels have really picked up. It started to rain. I'm assuming that's from the outer bands. And as the storm approaches, I'll be giving you updates throughout different areas along the Treasure Coast. We have offices from Miami to Cocoa Beach, Florida. We're here 24/7. Call us at any time. www.rapidrestorationfla.com. Call us. We're here to assist. Veteran owned, veteran operated.